Hello and welcome to Winchester Cathedral Nave, this extraordinary place made even more wonderful and extraordinary by the installation of these three wonderful whales, the work of artist Tessa Campbell-Fraser. We're so pleased that the creativity of this wonderful building is filled with even more creativity. This is just a reflection of what Christians believe, which is that God is the creator of all things and gives us God-given creativity too. Christians believe in a God of creation, a God who made everything that is, and he gave us this wonderful blue planet with so much sea, and yet we hardly understand it. In the past, we hunted sperm whales to such an extent that they were threatened with extinction. Their oil fueled the Industrial Revolution and we exploited it. Now we are coming to a better understanding that we need to live in harmony with creation and in sustainable ways. So I'm hoping that this wonderful exhibition, which is immersive and lovely and will evoke so many thoughts and responses, I'm hoping that this exhibition will help us make greater connections between ourselves as precious humanity and the rest of God's precious creation and his creatures, that we will learn respect and ways of living sustainably together on this earth.